how to check Singapore Airlines ticket status. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can check the status of your Singapore airline ticket, and here is how to go about it. There are different ways, okay, but the major way is by making use of the Singapore Airlines website, just like I am going to do in this video. The first step is to signing into Singapore Airlines official website, where you can see a welcome address which says welcome to what class, the warmth of a family dinner with a family we've just met. We know the feeling, and by the time you scroll down, you can see trading places in Singapore. And then once you can see this, the next step, I think the next thing that you have to do is move to the lowest part of the screen, where you can see some options. Okay, so let's go back now. Yeah, this is not where we're heading to. So back to this page. Now we can see some options which include book trip, manage booking, check-in, flight status, as well as flight schedule. So once you can see this, the next thing that you have to do is to click on manage booking. Since you are trying to check the status of your airline's ticket. Alright, so after clicking on manage booking, the next step to do is to go over to e-ticket number here. Click on it and then enter in the 13-digit e-ticket number that you have on the ticket. Type out your first or your last name as it appears in your passport. Click on manage booking, and from there the status of your ticket would be displayed to you. You can see how simple it is, right? Yes, you can always manage your itinerary and things on Singapore Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.